In today's video, we're taking a look at the NewAir outdoor rated 2-in-1 high velocity floor and wall mounted fan with 3 speed and adjustable tilt head. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. So this particular fan could be used inside and outside. It's water resistant, IPX4, could be set on the floor or mounted on a wall. It has 3 fan speeds up to 4650 CFMs and a metal blade for durability. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the build. We have a 10-foot 3-prong cord. Built in the cord, we have a test and reset button, making it a gfci plug to protect against shocks, which is very important when you're placing it outside. The last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to be the barbecue on barbecue Sunday. Now let's go ahead and test this bad boy or girl or both or none and put it to the test. We verify the connection by testing the test and reset button and also looking at the red indicator light that there's power. So the fan starts on the off position, which is great to avoid any flying fingers. The first pull gets you low, the second pull medium, and the last pull, which is the third pull, is high. We find the pulley right behind the sealed motor. Right now the pulley chain is short, but it does come with additional chain if you're going to mount it on a wall. By loosening the knobs either on the left or the right side of the fan, we're able to tilt it to either direction. And once you have your favorite position, you can go ahead and tighten it and it would lock in place. Always remembering the greatest rule of all times, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now that we looked at the fan in every way possible and we even winked at it, let's go ahead and turn it on. Right off the bat, we noticed that it's not that loud to other shop fans or others with metal blades. So that means if you want to ignore your loved one, you would have to get really close to the fan. So the fan comes in 2 dimensions, a 20-inch and an 18-inch. The smaller one coming at 12.3 pounds and the larger one at 16.4 pounds. So that means you can have the dollies moving around, aka kids, or your loved one, aka Watson, without having to bring the Hulk out. If you're placing the fan on the floor, you do have a handle on the top, which makes it easy to carry around or move it to your desired placing. Now let's grab some things from the backyard and check the power test. You can roll that sleeve back down, I mean the fan. So let's use the neighbor's ball. That for some reason it jumped the fence and it doesn't want to leave. Let's see if we could help it by giving it a push. Now let's get the corporate that's always falling when there's high wind, but don't worry, it's empty. So either inside or outside or on the floor or on the wall, the fan blows some nice air. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the Statibox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.